What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I just finished an amazing workout, and it's my birthday today, so thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I'm super excited for this new season in my life. So really awesome thing. I received another payment, as you can see right here, a $300 commission at 1 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I was sleeping and I am getting these notifications right on my email, on my merchant account, and it's amazing having the ability of, oh my God, excuse the sweatiness. It's amazing to wake up to a $300 commission in my merchant account. It's amazing to wake up and hang out and go to have an awesome workout and still make these 100% commissions, right? If you're somebody that wants to learn how to take advantage of affiliate marketing, if you can copy and paste, right? We already have the pre-written ads done for you. They are made. You can literally copy the pre-written ad and the image, the marketing image ad, and start posting them on using the different strategies that we show you on how to do this the correct way. And then, right, when somebody comes in, joins the opportunity, right, you earn that 100% commission. And so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. We have tons of testimonials, as you can see right here. You can pause the video and read all these testimonials. If you want to be added to the community group, so you can take a look at all the different testimonials from all the different members that have joined, let me know. Send me a direct message and I can, send you the link so you can go ahead and request it. Or you can request it from the email that I sent you as well. Anyways, have a phenomenal day. I think right now during summertime, there's a ton of people that want to learn the art of affiliate marketing. They want to learn, how you can position yourself to start earning those 100% commissions. They want to learn how they can, go out and about and still have a business that's running for them 24/7. And I show you exactly how it is that I do that myself with this 100% commission business opportunity. Take action today, right? If you are interested in learning how to make money online, how to, generate your first commission with affiliate marketing, even for complete beginners, take action today. What's going to happen after you join? I'm going to be sending you a welcome email with the step-by-step training. At the pro level, you get my 6-figure blueprint. And then I'm going to be adding you to my 6-figure blueprint coaching group. We have live coaching sessions there. I'm going to be probably going live there pretty soon with another 6-figure earner. I think she earned like $900 in one day pretty recently. So it's been really, really awesome to, just listen to all these different testimonials from different team members. Take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.